Biologists have made lab-grown dopamine progenitor cells and used them to restore motor function in rats that were induced to have Parkinson's disease. First, what they did is they made these dopamine progenitor cells from stem cells in a dish. Then they transplanted them into the brains of rats. So first what they do with these rats is they inject in a chemical that destroys all of the dopamine neurons in one half of the brain. Then they wait 6 weeks and then they transplant in the stem cell derived dopamine progenitors into that same side of the brain. And what they found after 6 months is that the stem cell derived dopamine progenitors was able to completely restore the motor function in these rats that they induced Parkinson's disease in. This is one of the first major preclinical studies that showed stem cell derived dopamine progenitors can survive in the brain, go on to mature into dopamine neurons, and also restore motor function, and were safe. And this has led to a series of clinical trials for patients with Parkinson's disease. I have a full video on YouTube that you can go check out for more details.